So this is an inlay of opal and silver. So I'm going to polish everything using my felt wheel and polishing compound. Okay, and so first let's just start off with some of the metal. Oh shoot. Hold on, let it focus. There you go. I just won't look at what I'm doing. Just tell me how it's going, guys. I can see from afar. Okay, so basically we did that really quick. Super quick. Yeah, and if you want more scratches, just hold it there. You just take it out some more, but just real quick. I'm here at a trade show. So we'll just do the other side. Okay, so here, remember we're there and there. So before and after. So this is before. And this is the after. Okay, there you go. So right here. So real quick, I barely touched it. Like, just so you know, it's not like heavy compound. It's like amazing compound. The JOOLTOOL polishing compound. So like if you have like a little scratch, you can just put some more compound in. So something that is so rough.
It's her ring too.
So there we go. Okay, so now you can do the sides, guys, you can do everything. So now I'll do the top. Let's get all the sides done, nice and polished. And then I'll do the top. Okay, so right here, we've got this top. You want to take a picture of it, yeah? Okay, that's good.
It's going to be on YouTube. We'll have to look for it.
Yeah, it will. It'll be on the JOOLTOOL USA channel.
So already we got this. No, we have the enamel kits on hand, but we can ship it today.
Yeah.
There we go. So look at that. All in one shot. So polishing the opal and the metal. But look at how crisp the metal is. So let's take us back to an alternative. What does everyone have in their shop that say, oh, I can polish that? Yeah, with this. Good luck, bro. Or something, or a felt wheel that you can't even see what's happening. But look at how I didn't compromise the opal and kept everything nice and even. And then you can just touch up the rest. So just get rid of the compound and we're good to go. Done. Done. Okay, and there you go. So look, so people who are watching, I have to say, we did this on the JOOLTOOL. This is at a trade show live. I don't know these people. They just walked up to me. So we just did this real quick on the JOOLTOOL. So quick that I'm gonna actually just give it a little wipe down and hand it back to her. Like, watch this. This is all we do. We go like this. Make sure my finger junk is off.
Right, I think so.
And I can polish the rest after we are done filming.
Okay, all right.
But for the most part, this is what we have. And I'm going to give it to this happy customer that I just met.
Oh, thank you.
Isn't that cool?
That's nicer than when we got the ring. It's truly
Yes. No, because I actually did it with a very high-end way of polishing.
Yeah.
Because like I said, all these jewelers do is they abuse rings with just buff. Yeah, I know, like really, look at how beautiful that is. There you go. And she has another one, look. She has another one, and I'm gonna actually polish that one next.
That has a little bit of a nick on it.
There's a nick in it?
It has a nick in it.
Where is it? Then let me take the nick out.